Hello. You join me here in the troubles of filming. Filmed the whole video on racking, none of the sound recorded, at least not on the mics. So, alas, we're stuck with voiceover. So I'm going to tell you what I did. So, we came to rack Reginald. The racking process wasn't without its troubles. I've got no idea how to use this siphon that this cider pack gave me. It's got like a squeezy end. It's got a fucking tubey end. I don't know. I think I need to buy a proper siphon if I'm going to keep this going and want to do it properly. But hey ho, at the time, that's all I had. A lot of cider went on the floor. A lot of cider went on my foot. A sticky mess is what we got.
I've got no idea how this is supposed to work.
Let me just give it a red hot crack.
So,
Do you need help holding it?
I think I need this low.
Do you want a hand?
I don't know how this works.
Hang on. This needs to be higher, I think. What's your not really close that I can work
It's
out?
working.
Oh. You got it.
That was hard work. Yeah.
There we go. Oh my god. God, it's not really dissolving very much. Show the people the bottom.
What's the bottom? So, all that crap that we just put in there, that's what it now looks like. Okay.
If anyone can see what I'm doing wrong with this siphon, if anyone has any idea how to make this siphon work, or if it's just a piece of shit and I need to buy a new siphon, let me know, because I've got no idea. I was given a list of items that you could add to store-bought apple juice to make it taste good, to make it taste like regular cider, to make it taste like what I want. Those items were tannins, wine tannins. Wine tannins apparently gives the mouthfeel of proper apple juice, stuff that is stripped back from store-bought apple juice. So I was, in my head, you add this, you get more of an appley feel. Malic acid adds the acid that naturally occurs in apples. Again, stripped back for store-bought juice, we can put it back in. Maltodextrin, everywhere I looked on the internet, said that this gave a superior mouthfeel, made it taste, made the mouth feel like it's drinking cider. And the last thing we put in there was erythritol? Erythritol? I don't know. Whatever it is, it adds sweetener that the yeast can't eat. Yeast eating sweetener creates more alcohol, eats all the sugars. We don't want that. We want a little bit of sweetness in there. We add this. This is sweetener that the yeast can't eat. The yeast won't eat. Erythritol. That's what we'll call it. So we added 5 tablespoons of erythritol, 1.5 tablespoons of maltodextrin, half a teaspoon of malic acid, and 1/4 teaspoon of tannin. Now, afterwards I tasted it. It's fucking acidic up the arse.
Yucky.
You don't like it?
It's so acidic. Yuck.
Too acidic?
It's quite acidic.
No. It's too acidic.
Way too acidic, but we're hoping it mellows out. We'll see what we end up with. As I say, it's been a couple days since we racked, and yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Past that, so this is what we've ended up with. which I'm not going to lie to you, is a bit darker than I would have liked. I think I added too much tannins. But we'll let it mellow out in here for like 3 weeks, and then we'll go to bottling. We'll add some more sugar to get some carbonation. We'll chill it. We'll taste it. Hopefully it'll be good. And that's the story on racking. Obviously in the future I won't need to add everything here to make the cider taste good. Hopefully the apple should do the work with a bit of yeast. We'll see what happens. But for right now, with this store-bought apple juice, I've gone with these. If you have any recommendations on what else should be adding or taken away, or did I add too much, leave it down below, because God, I've got no idea what I'm doing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Drop a like, subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Big things to come from this channel. The cider journey is alive and well. Follow on.